All right. Good evening, my people. Good evening to everyone across the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. All right. Whichever country you are connecting from, be it United States, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Rwanda, Cameroon, Nigeria, Canada, UK, which other country again? Ivory Coast. Yeah. So whichever country you're connecting from, all right. So you're welcome to tonight's market review. So tonight we're going to be learning a whole lot, all right, because I'm going to be sharing one of the benefits, which what made me $2,500 in trading Gbpjpy, and as well we're looking at, we're going to look forward to the market we're going to be trading this week, and as well we have a guest, one of my boys, my first set of boys, all right, that is going to be on this live to share some amazing forex knowledge with us, and if possible, share some amazing setups. Okay, so put your mind together wherever you are, you connected in. All right, so ensure that you are not distracted. Okay, all right, so I can see quite a number of persons that are familiar. All right, so you all are welcome once again to this live stream. All right, so if you know anybody that's supposed to be here, go and drag the person, send the person this link, post on your status so that they can join in and benefit as well. All right, so this new week, I promised you guys something that I'm going to be giving out a funded account, right? As a result of we hitting 21K followers on Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that because I just got back from Abuja. I was supposed to do that before I traveled, but I didn't have the time. So I'm going to do that this week. So get ready to participate in the activity so you can actually select our winner. So giving out five $3,000 account and some amazing gift anyway. But the major one is the funded account. Okay. So yeah, I want everybody to participate. Okay. So then and again, congratulations to us on YouTube. We've actually hit 3K plus. That's a big win. So we're looking out for a time we're going to get to 100K followers. All right. So it all depends on you guys. If you love your first media, keep promoting, keep posting. One way or the other, we're going to locate you and bless you. All right. So you promote your first media from your own very heart. All right. So it's not a high service thing. I'm actually monitoring some set of persons that are very remarkable. I don't know if Holy is here. It's Holy. It's Holy. If you're here indicating chat section, that guy is very amazing. All right. So and quite a number of other persons too that are amazing on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube as well. Right. You guys are doing marvelously, and also my WhatsApp. You guys are doing well. Okay. So yeah. So how I made 2,500 trading GBP JPY. All right. So that's GJ. Okay. So those of you that have been following FS Media for quite some time now, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, you know that one of my favorite pairs is JPY pairs. All right. So I kind of fall in love with JPY pairs. So it's very interesting and sweet. So JPY pairs has given me most of the money that I have made in forex market. All right. So for me to be making money from JPY doesn't mean that you can actually make money from other pairs. All right. So like I've always taught you guys that when you come into the forex market, you look at the markets that you know that is favorable to you, that you love, that giving you money over time, whether in your demo account, it doesn't matter, but you just find a way to be able to relate with this price. All right. So I said as a newbie, you are allowed to trade a lot of markets. All right. So as you are practicing, you ensure that over time you are reducing your pairs that you trade. At least you should have, not at least, at most you should have at five forex pairs that you trade. Five. All right. So you maybe probably could have one, you could have two, you could have three, you could have four, but no more than five. Why? Because I've always taught you guys that, see, in as much the forex market has green and red candlestick, the bullish, the bearish candlesticks, they look alike, the uptrend, the downtrend, the support and resistance here and there, the demand and supply. All right. They all have their uniqueness. They are different. And I also said that just as you have tea, no tea, tea, like chocolate, you know, Milo is a tea, that's a chocolate. Bonvita is a chocolate. Which other one? Ovaltine is also a chocolate. All right. So, but all of them, they fall under chocolate, right? But they have their own unique taste. Okay, but we can categorize them as what? Tea, chocolate, right? So, but they have their unique taste. When you taste Milo, you know this is Milo. When you taste Obati, you know that this is Obati. When you taste Cadbury, you know that this is Cadbury. When you taste which other one again? Cadbury chocolate, you know that this is Cadbury chocolate, all right? So that is how it is in the forest market. And as much they have the same chart, you know, there's a way they move, there's a uniqueness to them. All right. So that is why you need to limit your pairs and don't be an ashawo of the market whereby you just trade different pairs and you not be wondering, why do I make money today and lose it tomorrow? Or why do I make money this week and lose it the following week? Why are you asking so many why questions? Somebody commented on my post on Facebook and said that and forex is a scam, that should tell you people the truth. I said, like, poor man, the advice to rich man, no be juju be that. Right. So there are people that have wrong notions about the financial market. Probably one way or the other, they have got into the forex market. Probably they will run into the fake people that actually advertise forex only for them to get scammed. They call forex a scam. Forex that is bigger than every other man's business, bigger than every man, bigger than Elon Musk himself, bigger than Jeff Bezos himself, bigger than everybody on earth, that is calling a scam. Number one market in the world at $6.6 trillion per day. That's what it's calling is calling a scam. I said, all right, so there's no time to explain too much to the guys. Anyhow he wants to believe himself, that's his own problem. A student actually came in. I did not even see the message at first. It was as a result of the student that actually came in and tried to talk to the guy, telling the guy that this forex you're saying is a scam actually pays his bills, pays his school fees, pays some amazing things. I don't know if the guy is there. You can comment and let me know that you are the one that was talking, that was commenting on Facebook post. All right. So I said, and I told him that, see, you you don't need to explain too much for this kind of person. Just leave them, let them be. Leave them. There's no long talk. You know, there's a level of revelations, a level of knowledge that a poor man or a broke man can't seem to comprehend, no matter how it's being broken down to the utmost point. Why? Because he has told himself a fat lie that will make him to remain in the position that is currently is. All right, and that's very, very bad for them, but that's their own problem. Anyway, they said all fingers are not equal are the words of a broke man. All right, because you never find a rich man saying all fingers are not equal. It's shocking. Yeah, you always find a broke man saying all fingers are not equal. Why? Because they use it because of you say, okay, these fingers are not equal, so this pinky guy, you know, is not so fortunate like the other ones. It's a big fat lie, but that's the lie they tell themselves. All right, so don't be a broke man, don't be a poor man. So forex can change your life and do every other thing that you need to do. So some of you that have written down the things that you want forex trading to do for you, okay, so ensure that you visit that your affirmation, that your goals that you've written down, and work in accordance to it. All right, you need to do the necessary that's going to produce such a result for you. All right, and I said something in one of the boot camp, 10 trade boot camp. I think before I went to Abuja, one of the boot camp, I said, okay, you admire a particular trader that drives a Lamborghini or drive a Benz or drive a Lexus and so on, and like, you want to be like this guy, he owns 5 houses, he owns 3 houses, you want to be like this guy, you want to be like this guy, you are moved by what you see. Fine, it is good to be moved by what you see, but you need to be asking the right question so that you can key into that right question, okay, so that you can achieve the same goal. How do I mean? You need to ask about the process in which the person went through so that you self can find a way to key into that process. Then when you find a way and start working in accordance, what happens? You end up having that result, even much more. But at least you have a result that is something to write about. Okay, so you don't like, okay, I made 2,500 trading JPY. Does it now mean I just arrived at 225? No, there was a time that my target profit was $1, $2, $10. Look at how far we've grown, and I told you guys that I will not stop trading in financial market. I will not relent until I start making my first $1 million in a month. Yeah, and there will be some persons that will say forex is a scam. Well, that's their own problem. You can see the quotes behind me. I say forex no hard. Now you go buy when you're supposed to sell. Then the other one, not taking calculated risks is risky. Yeah, because everything we do in life, we take calculated risks. All right. So, but if you don't take calculated risks, you end up learning the hard way. And there are some experiences that you're likely going to experience that is you can learn from. E.g., they'll tell you that this particular highway, you know, a lot of accidents occur here. So whenever you're crossing the road, ensure that you are very cautious of your environment before you make a move. All right, but this same person that is being advised, what does he do? It doesn't look well. and end up crossing the road without looking very well. The motor now hits him. What happens? He dies. So how does he want to learn from that mistake? He go explain, tire, either for heaven or for fire. You understand? So he cannot come out of that death matter. All right. So there are experiences that you don't allow yourself to, engage in. You need to learn from other people's mistake. There is no mistake in trading that FX Media himself has not experienced. The person you're seeing right here, I don't know whatever thing that has happened to you in trading, for me not to give up, hey, I see no reason why any other person should give up. One of the mistakes I made trading, learning how to trade the financial market, is I quitted most of the things I was doing and focused on Forex, thinking that Forex is a get rich quick scheme. In which I was thinking that in 2 months, 3 months, I'll start to make so profit. My first profit when I made $100, I started calculating like Sabinos, I said, okay, every month I'm earning like 200K, 300K. At the end of the year, I'll earn like 2 million. So in about 3 years, I'll buy my first car. Now so I calculate, finish, calculate me, join. So I did not end up achieving that in a year. So I learned the hard way, but I gave up. But thank God for my mentor. That's why it's very important that you have a very good mentor that will always coach you and tell you what to do and guide you properly. So she called me back. Some of you know this story. All right. She called me back and said, David, why are you not trading anymore? I said to her that Forex, they carry me go where I don't know. She said something to me that you don't run away from Forex, that what you get to do is that you find out why you lost a trade so that you don't end up making the same mistake again. Right, so that's what she said to me, and that's what I hacking onto, and that's what I've communicated to a lot of people who have learned Forex trading from FX Media. All right, so I'll boldly say, I'll beat my chest anywhere, that currently, as we speak, based on statistics, FX Media has created over 1,500 Forex millionaires across 7 countries. Isn't that a wonderful achievement? And in this year, we are looking at creating an extra 2,000 or 3,000 people in this year 2024. We are not yet half of the year, but next month to be half of the year. So if I were you, I'm going to find an opportunity to key into the benefits that I'm going to be giving you guys. And you guys, FS Media to be giving out a lot of free stuff. When I got to Abuja, I met some other Forex mentors like myself. And they said, how do I get to have so much people across states? I said, if you ask these people, you go, yes, say I teach them Forex for free. Yeah, me teaching Forex for free does not mean that Forex is cheap. No, I taught Forex for free with a commitment fee. How much is that you want to pay? How much did they pay? It's more or less like getting a form in which many of you are aware of. How much is that? And you're giving benefits. So it's more or less like empowering a lot of people across Africa. And that's to tell you, where do I get my money from? I trade the financial market because I don't need anybody to make money. I go out to find opportunities that will be better for a lot of people. Okay, more like the $1,000 instant funded account that came up. Okay, so I go out to find more opportunities for people who are struggling in trading. Probably capital is a problem. I find a way to make it affordable for them. When we started FX Media, there have been challenges of people funding $1,000 or $5,000 or $100 or so. All right, so God just help us, and we found Tradng. And what happened? We actually brought in a Profem account that has every level of anybody that is on earth, any category that you are, whether you are a lower class, middle class, or upper class. All right, so we actually went out and brought this opportunity. So whatever position that you are, whether a 3K financial guy or a $10,000 financial guy, 500K, we have diverse accounts in Tradng, and so far so good. They've been remarkable testimonies. Let me tell you, the highest withdrawal we've had this year in FX Media, what's his name, somewhere 18, no, one of the highest withdrawal is $700 and something. I think that's close to 900K or so. If he's here, it should also indicate. There's this other guy too that actually made about 1,500, yeah, from trading Profem account, Tradng Profem account. All right, there's this other guy that funded $10,000. It's not Profem account. He funded it $10,000 and he made about $2,000 in a month. Okay, that's cool. $2,000 in a month. He funded it down and get money. Everybody has their own level. There's some person that fund 20,000 direct, not proper account. So you know the difference between a proper account and a direct funding. Right? So he funded the direct funding and they make money. So I told you guys the idea of trading proper account. You don't store money in trading proper account. You acquire an account for yourself and you do what? When you make profit, you click the withdrawal button and fund your natural account, okay, so that you can trade your traditional account. Why? Because That is where the most money is. Yeah, you don't store money in your profit account. Okay, so when you make profitable withdrawals, you fund your account. You know, you can take out some profit to take care of your needs, and the remaining one you can use it to trade the financial market. You need to have piled up capital. If I tell you my total capital in forex, you will run away. And as a trader, you need to have up to like 5 accounts. You know, you need to have like 5 accounts: a small account, mini small account, there's a micro account, large account, chop shop account, luxury account, house rent account. Anyway, I'm just kidding. My point is that you need to have some set of accounts for different purposes, not just only one account. Okay. So, but how do you have such multiple accounts? It's when you made money now, or if you have money already that you've made before, you can just diversify your funds. All right. You can diversify your fund in forex trading. Okay. So that's cool. All right. So everybody has an opportunity to blow up. If you've been reading my status or you've been following me for 1 year plus and I see broke, it means that you are doing something wrong. All right. So you need to sit up and adjust. Because at the end of this year, if you don't end up becoming successful, that's your problem. It doesn't matter if you don't become a forex millionaire. The point is being financially free. You could start from your first 50K monthly, or your first 200K monthly, or your first 5 million naira monthly, or your first 20 million naira monthly. All depends. Forex market has the capacity, the capability to do such, to provide such. You can earn 500 million in a month. Yeah, it's all about stage, it's all about the capital that you have at hand, it's all about the knowledge you have inside your color, inside your brain. You understand? Okay, so and the necessary things that you need to put into place so that you can achieve such a result. All right. So, like I said to you, I will never give up on forex. I'll keep pushing, increasing my finance until I start earning $1 million in a month. I won't stop trading the financial market. All right. Okay, so guys, I said something earlier. Okay, I've not told you guys this. Very soon, I'm going to stop teaching. Yeah, it shock you. I'm going to stop teaching. So you maximize every opportunity that you have. I told you guys about the synthetic class. If you don't take advantage of it, that's your problem. If you are new to trading, there is a class for it. I'll soon stop teaching. Why? Because I want to focus on my other company that I'm building. Now, what's that? I'm building a crazy company, and I told you guys something. That looking at raising crazy people that I trained myself, so that I can put a team together that will be trading a large sum of money for banks, international and companies, you know, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, in UK, different countries. You know, we're talking about $100 million. We're talking about $150 million. We're talking about $500 million. We're talking about $100 million. Large form of money. No. So when I'm doing those kind of things, I may not have time to teach you. So the opportunity that you have now, take advantage of it. I will not teach forever. Okay, so if I'm talking about a class, you don't even need to think 2 times. Just proceed ASAP, because the benefit I'm giving to you, you are not actually paying for the value. All the benefits free. Imagine being part of FS Media and your signals are free. Isn't that amazing? People subscribe for signals. 100K, 200K, 50K monthly. Yeah, but in FS Media, I get it for free. So come on, what are you telling me? So why are you still broke? Why are you still broke? So I'm not actually here to talk about all this things, but I'm just so sorry for some persons who wants to remain broke. That's their own problem. You don't take action. That is a problem. Okay. So guys, we have Quitek in the house. All right. So some of you already know Quitek. All right. So it's my good guy, a good guy that I actually trained, and is also doing well. All right. So he also added SMC trading to his trading style. All right. So we all are fantastic traders. He's one of the boys I've groomed and he's doing remarkably well. Looking forward to pushing him to become bigger and bigger and bigger. All right. So you know, FS Media is all about empowering people, young people most especially, to be financially free. All right. So you don't need to bring people into the business before you see money. No, it's you versus the forex market. All right. So I have made 2,500 from Gbpjpy, and I am not done this week. And I want you guys to as well make money this week too. Yeah, I want you to make money. That's why I'm doing this live. I want you to see the opportunities where I'm going to see and make money for myself. And I want you guys to make money for yourself too, as well. Whether I drop signal or not, you already know that, okay, this is the pair we are buying. So if I've trained you in Forex, you know when to enter for a buy. You know when to enter for a sell. You don't need to wait for me to drop signals. All right? But if you're in the signal group, cool. That's good. Being in the signal group is even an advantage anyway. But if you're a newbie, learn rightly so that you don't end up taking trades that probably I'll be in profit, you'll be in loss. You understand? Because I know how to manage my trade, you may not know how to manage your trade. Why? Because you don't know how to trade forex market. All right. So yeah, so that is it, guys. I want you guys to make money this week. I want a lot of my boys to click a fantastic withdrawal. Yeah. I should call the favor. Say my pastor will say, "Don't be the shortest finger." You don't see. All right, guys. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quitek in the house. In the house. Okay. All right. We have Quitek. Look at this man. You see what you write for the student IFS media. You don't smoke. Who shall be student IFS media? You will not graduate. Agba. All right. So Quitek, are you there? Are you there? Talk to us so that we can hear you guys quickly. Sorry. So we can hear you. Quitek, Quitek. On your video, let's see your face. Quitek of the most high. We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
This
Talk to us. Talk to us. Quitek of the most high. Talk to us ASAP. Let's go. Let's go. All right. If he's having a network issue, just go straight to how I made $2,500 trading Gbpjpy, one of my favorite pairs. All right. For it to be my favorite pair doesn't mean that it should also be your favorite pair. No, I've told you guys. If you're just joining in, go and start again after the live stream. Okay, so there are going to be quality content that's going to be dropped. Okay, amazing content. So I want you guys to engage on them, share the post. If you love FS Media, if you love what you're doing, you will find joy in promoting FS Media, referring FS Media. Posting. I see people. What is this? There's this guy called Pips Trading or something. Like I always post my posts where on Facebook. If you are here, indicate so that I'll get to see you. There are quite a number of them, a lot. Even TikTok. All right. So really appreciate you guys. Those of you that are pushing FS Media with your whole heart. Spreading the good news. That's fantastic. Okay. All right. I'm coming. So I'm on my first chart. I want to. I'm coming. Okay. So I'll be with some certain things so that we can actually proceed. More White, how you doing, bro? Follow as a dispense. Quitek, are you with us?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, okay. Good to have you on board. Let us see that FX Media top. Let us see it. FX Media to the world. Show us your FX Media top. Let's go, let's go. There are some persons I'm going up in Abuja. Don't worry, I'll attend to your messages on our YouTube. Sorry, did I say YouTube? I told you guys to send me a message on Instagram, right? Okay. So those of you that have sent that time in Abuja, I know them. So don't worry about that. We're going to sort it out. Just time that I've not had to work it out. All right. Show your face. So push the camera up. Quick, push it up a little. Hand left hand. Good. It's good like
Sir.
this. Let it bring it down small. Let the person that be showing. Make it not cut your head.
Sir.
The hand. Good. No. You don't share it. All right, cool. Okay, we are
Is it a
good
good idea,
to
sir?
fly. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so good to have you on board. All right. So you said
Yes, sir.
you have some amazing setup to share with the entire FX Medians, and that's really remarkable. All right. So can you check on your own end whether there is a place to share? Do you have anything like that to share your screen?
Yes, I can see something like that, sir.
Okay, can you click on it? Let's see. You ain't sharing.
I'm on it, sir.
All right, so we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. What's his time? Okay, we should be done By the grace of God, 10:20, 10:15, 10:20, or 10:30. But as the Spirit leads, we try as much as possible to maximize the time that we have, okay? All right, all right. Time to make a lot of money. Time to make a lot of
Yes, sir.
money.
Can you see my screen, sir?
I can see your system.
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you have for us? What pairs are we looking at today?
Yes, sir. We'll be looking at GBP USD. We'll be looking at Euro NZD, and also we'll be looking at.
All right. So you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
I believe you guys can see what's going on. You can see our screen, right? So I expect everybody to not be distracted at this point. Okay. Peter, is Peter here? Is Peter here? I know Peter know they miss. You know they miss life. Papa say na agba na millionaire, get car, sharp bad guy. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ Quick-Tech? We don't see you again. Oh. You don't come out. What's going on, bro? What's going on? You say, can you put it in full screen? See, when you are using phone to connect, what you should do is that you should I'm coming, guys. When you are using phone to connect, ensure your phone is in landscape mode. Okay, don't watch in a portrait mode. You'll be so tiny in your eyes. Landscape mode, please, everybody. Landscape mode. But if you're using a system, there's no need bending your system. Because I know some persons are amazing. Because I say slant your phone, they'll now want to turn their system or upside down. Say, kilo shele. No, nah, no be so. All right. So turn your phone to landscape mode and ensure that your YouTube is on high quality. All right. So that you can see clearly. Okay. Not that it will be blur. Okay, so we have him right back. Okay, so you say you're looking at GBP USD. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you ready for us? Quick tech.
Yes, sir. Yeah, good evening, guys. My name is Kutek, so I'll be doing some market analysis with you guys. So I'm going to start with GBP USD. So as you can see, we are on GBP USD. I'm on daily time frame here. I I'm going to mark out some of my structures so we know the trend of the market. So I'm going to start from here, which at this point we have a break of structure here, a break of structure to the upside, and also we also have another break of structure to the upside here. So the market's supposed to come to this demand zone here that we're expecting to the market to come from, but the market ended up breaking this demand zone. Then this demand zone turned into a change of character around this point. So the markets we have our we have our last going candle before the down move around the zone. So we are expecting the market to come to this our supply zone around this point. We have our supply zone around here. So the markets start giving us another break of structure around here. We have another break of structure. We're expecting the market to come to this zone and start selling back to the downside. We have a break of structure here also. We have another break of structure to the upside here, and also we have another break of structure to the upside here, and the markets the market gave us a change of character around this particular zone, whereby the market is doing is making a change of character around this continuation demand zone around it. So we have a change of character. So what we'll be looking out for this week is that we'll be expecting the market to come down to this demand zone, this last green candle before the down move, which is our demand zone around this point. We're expecting the market to come to this particular zone, or we're expecting the market to come to this particular demand zone around here also. Yeah, this extreme demand zone here. So now we'll move down to our 4 hours time frame.
Hold on. I can't actually see what you're doing very well. I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm speaking on behalf of other people that are connected. So we don't get so they don't get lost in what you're talking about. So can you use the crosshair effectively, or use a mouse to indicate what you are talking about? Okay, if you're in a particular candle, you are pointing it out so that we can understand and not get carried away. You understand? Do you get what I said?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah. Proceed.
Okay, now I'm on 4 hours time frame here. So I'll be expecting the market to come to this our supply zone around this point here. I'm expecting the market to come to this supply zone when the market opens. It may be on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday or Thursday, but I'll be expecting the market to come to this supply zone around here, whereby I will be looking for trade opportunity around this supply zone. Okay. I hope I think the network is. So I think the network is somehow bad. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you very well. It's just that but we're not too sure of what you're talking about. Okay. Opera Hillary said, I'm confused. I don't know his level trading, but just use the mouse to let us know what you're talking about. We can see your screen clearly. So I try as much as possible to be audible.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes. So as I was saying, I said we are on our daily time frame. We have a break of structure to the upside here, and we are expecting the market to come down to this extreme demand zone around this point. But the market end up breaking this demand zone. So we are having a change of character to the downside. So as we are having a change of character to the downside, we are expecting the market to come to this our premium zone of our change of character. So the market come down to this our swing supply zone after a change of character, and also we have a break of structure before the market touches the swing supply zone. Then we have new change of character to the downside. So we're expecting the market to come down to this our supply zone. I'm moving out to 4 hours time frame now for a better view of the charts. So
If you
this
don't know
I'm
SMC,
expecting the
you might
market
be
to
a
come
bit
down.
confused. If you don't know SMC, you might be a bit confused, but just observe anyway. So once it's done with this pair, I'll
Okay.
continue with the one that you understand. Continue, quick text.
So I'll be expecting the market to come to this extreme supply zone. The reason why I'm considering the market to come to this supply zone, and why I'm considering this supply zone to be active, because there is enough inefficiency at this price of the market. For those of us that does don't know what inefficiency is, inefficiency or imbalance in where the market needs to be filled. So there is lot of inefficiency around this zone before the supply zone. So there will be I'm expecting the market to come to this supply zone, then go short on GBP USD, sir. So then our target will be the last low before the up movement, which is this particular zone, sir. So that's all on
Okay,
GBP USD, sir. I'll be expecting a sell on GBP USD. So I think I'm going to move to Euro NZD. Yes, sir.
okay, all right. Okay, so you can just quickly
Yeah,
summarize the
for Euro,
euro.
okay, for Euro NZD, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, as you can see, we are having series of higher high, low, higher high, and higher low. So at this point, we are having a break of structure around this zone. This is our break of structure around this zone, and this is we have our extreme demand zone, which is the last red candle before the up movement. This is our last demand zone. So the market is at our extreme demand zone, where we are going to look for and to go long on Euro NZD. So I'm going to go down to my 15-minute time frame or 1 hour time frame to look for my entry. So I'm going to my 1 hour time frame now. Now I'm going to look for the same thing on my lower time frame, but I'll look for my break of structure and a change of trend for me to get a confirmation that the market is ready to move to an upside. As you can see, the market, we have a break of structure to the downside there, and we also have our change of character. This change of character means just being a change in market structure, a shift in market structure, whereby the market is moving from a downtrend to an uptrend. So this gives me a more confirmation that the market is about to move to the upside. So I will be this is I'm marking out my last red candle before the up move, which I'll be considering this last red candle before the up move, and I'll be considering the reason why I'm considering this last red candle before the up move is because I'm seeing equal lows, equal lows. Yes, we are having equal lows, and the markets always like to take out liquidity, because there will be a lot of stop loss around this zone, the early buyers around this zone. So the market will surely will come come to this zone, take out these early buyers, tap into our to the upside, and give us another block of structure to the upside. So we are going to be expecting the market to come down to this our extreme order block, this demand zone here. Then our stop loss just below the candle around this point. Then we are going to target this previous high before the down before the down move to this particular demand zone. So overall, our overall view on Euro NZD is a buy for next week, sir. So that is all on Euro NZD, sir.
Okay, so you're looking out to short GBP USD and as well buy Euro USD, right?
Euro NZD, sir. NZD.
UNZD, sorry, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So, if you don't understand price action, sorry, if you don't understand SMC, you may not understand what it actually trades
This
in.
is also,
Right.
sir, this is also price action and market structure, because you see in
Yeah.
my explanation, I'm only basing my explanation on demand and supply. So if you have been attending our demand and supply class, you'll be able to understand this concept, because I've also taken this concept myself in one of our class. So if you are part of our students, you'll be able to understand demand and supply, and also know what a bill of structure means and what a change of character means, sir.
Okay. All right. So, thank you very much for that. Okay, so somebody say it's not what did the Momo? I saw something like he's not giving us a full concept to his strategy. He's not teaching you strategy. He's teaching you what he's looking out for in GBP USD and as well USD. Okay, so he's not teaching you a strategy. So understand the difference. Okay, all right. So how do you want him to do all that here? Okay, good. If he was okay to somebody, all right. So guys, I'm going to continue from where he stopped, but I'm going to be teaching the ones that many people actually can relate to it. Okay. So I told you that FX reader basically what I do is I combine um, what works in SMC and as well what works in price action together. So that's what makes FX reader to be forever stuck in profit. We hardly make a loss. All right. It's not like we don't make a loss. We make a loss, but we actually make more profit. All right. So guys, let's go. Let's go into how I made 2,500 trading Gbpjpy. So let's go. Let's follow up quickly. I'm sure everybody is set right now. Thank you very much, Quitek, for that amazing breakdown. Okay, so we're looking at
Yes,
to
sir.
be having more of you in the life. Okay, so if you want to remain on the call, fine. You're good. If you have something to do, fine. You can go ahead. I'm releasing you anyway. So whichever decision you're taking is fine by me. All right. So guys, let's look into GBPJPY. All right. So this is where I actually made my $2,500. All right. It's actually more than that, but I just posted it, for security reasons. All right. So I'm just kidding anyway. So I made 2,500 from trading GBPJPY this past week. All right. All right. So the last time we came on live, we had this analysis. Like I always tell you guys that I don't delete my setups. All right. So I can always make reference to it. Look at this. Remember, I told you guys is that if we have, let me zoom it out well. Look at my mouse. I said that if we have a rejection on this support zone, the market is going to buy up to this level. And that's exactly what happened. And I said if market breakout, that is this red candle right here, if it breaks out below the support zone, we'll have a sell. All right, that's what I said to you that time. Okay, so but what happened? It got rejected, and we have a buy that actually smashed our TP. So that's on the first place we took profit. All right, so now I didn't trade GBPJPY then. All right, so there's a news that came up that time that 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 dumped this GBP. Then it came to this way. Now, where did I take that my excellent entry? My entry came from here. This rejection. Why? Like I always teach you guys that the top down analysis, okay, that I teach you guys is hold on. The top down analysis I teach you guys, okay, is one of the best strategies that we have in the world, all right, and which we go to higher time frame to, you know, look at the overall move of the market, where the market is likely going to get to. Okay, so one of the best forms of trading or types of trader you can actually become is an intraday trader or a swing trader, because that's what gives you an utmost profit on the long run. Being a full-time scalper will just lead you to your doomsday. All right. So we go to higher time frame. We already understood from the beginning of the class that the overall time frame of GBP is an uptrend. GBP has been buying since last year. No be juju be that. not the two. All right, so he's been buying since last year. So just imagine that kind of mad move. So as a forex trader, I said the trend of the market is your friend. So what are you looking out for as a forex trader? You are looking out for buying opportunities. Why? Because you have more advantages when the market is in an uptrend and when you are buying. Because if you are selling, the market can reverse at any point, and you think it's market manipulation. It can reverse at any point. Why? Because of you have the market to be an uptrend. Okay, sorry, hold on. All right, so I understand there are different categories of persons in this class. Don't worry, I always say this thing that every time we have a live class, we have different people coming that connects, different categories of traders. But I said something that what I do on YouTube live is I teach you how I trade. Okay, like how I trade. So if you're a beginner, you may not understand what I'm saying. Okay, but it doesn't mean that I shouldn't be there. Remember this saying that says if you mingle with five billionaires, you end up becoming the sixth millionaire. If you mingle with five billionaires, you end up becoming the sixth billionaire, right? So that's how it works. So when you stay in the gathering of successful traders, expert traders, you become like them as well. And if you want to learn forex, FS Media has an academy that you can actually enroll and learn forex properly for yourself. All right. So we'll groom you up to the point that okay, whenever we're doing YouTube live, you understand. Because what we do right here, most of the trades we analyze on YouTube live, I can tell you that 80% of them go our direction. Yeah, 80% go our direction. If you actually enter the right trades, you enter well, it goes our direction based on our predictions. Okay, so the YouTube live have been favorable, has made people a lot of money, and we are about to make a lot of money this week. Okay, so open your mind. If you've not gotten an account in Tradng, get an account for yourself using FS Media link, so you can join our free signal room. If you want to fund traditionally, fine, good, no problem. But ensure you are trading a real account. If you're a newbie and I've not given you a go ahead to trade a real account, don't do what I'm saying right now. All right, once I give you a go ahead to trade a real account. Okay, so we've been able to identify the trend of the market, which is an uptrend. Okay, fantastic. Remember that I said that in trading the financial market, when you have a bullish candle, sorry, when you have a candlestick pattern, a candlestick in an area of value, it reacts very well in that area of value. What am I trying to say? Look at what I'm talking about. This is an uptrend, right? So look at this place. We have a bullish engulfing. Ordinary, this bullish engulfing, look at the buy it has cost. Massive. Remember, we're on a daily time frame. So imagine how many pips is that? Crazy pips. Okay. So you can see that effect. All right. Okay. So let's continue. This is an uptrend. And what happened? We had markets break out of this trend line here up to this point. Then you retrace back into this trend line, the inside trend line, and that inside trend line is the 4 hours time frame trend line. So I go to my 4 hours, and here is it right here, a 4 hours time frame. This broke inside. What made it to break inside? Don't forget the reversal pattern I taught you guys. This is obviously an M that occurred right here, an M that shows the reversal. Okay, come here. Here, this is an M. You can see how it went like this. It's an M. So that caused that reversal to actually now go down to this point. Now, but this point the market came into, what is that zone? That zone is what the buyer zone, which is on the trend line. Okay. So, and when it came there, market start to react. Let's zoom in to see the reaction of market in that zone. Now, indecision candlestick formed, bullish candlestick form, bullish candlestick form, bullish candlestick form. I told you guys that when you have more bullish candlestick in a support zone, it means that the market is going to buy. When you have more bearish candlestick in a support zone, it means that the market is going to break out. And if you look very well, we have more bullish candlestick right here. And that now gave us a buy. The market broke up to this point, okay, and started buying like this. Now, let's go to a 1 hour time frame because this is a 1 hour time frame, right? And if you look very well inside this 1 hour time frame, what has been going on here? What has been going on is a series of up, down. That is higher, high, lower, higher, low, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what it has been doing like doing like this, doing like this, doing like this, doing like this. And this is where it's currently at 1 hour time frame, right? Okay, and this is where market closed in this place. That's where market closed, right? Now, so this is where I've actually been buying from here to this point. I just held that trade since on Monday. That's when I had that trade. From here, I just held it and closed on Friday. Is that not amazing? At 4. That's when I closed the trade before market started retracing down here. Market has even opened right here. So you can this 10:15 already. Okay, so I bought up to this point, took out my profit right here. All right, but I'm not done with the buy. Why? Because this is a new week. We are still looking for buying opportunities. Why? Our first confidence is that the market is an uptrend, right? And we still have the market to be what? Um, to be bullish. So what are we looking for? We're looking for opportunities to continue riding the trend. Now, what do we do? Since we have a 1 hour time frame, there is a trend in that 1 hour time frame. And this is the trend, the uptrend. All right. So that's a slanted support. Then look at it, market is here, right here. So what do you think is likely going to happen? Where are we going to pick up our entry from to continue riding this trend? We go down to lower time frame, which is 30 minutes, the next lower time frame. Now, if you look very, very well, this is a high. This high right here couldn't break this high. And for the fact that I couldn't break this high, that makes it an equal high, which is likely going to form an M. Okay, so our buy is not ready. Okay, we could have a temporal sell. Why? Because this high refused to break this high, like to create a higher high. Right? So we have something like an M, and when we have an M like this is a bearish candle. Market is likely going to come down for a temporal sell like this. A temporal sell. Okay. So as a trader, what we are looking for buy opportunities. So what do we do? Where do we take in our buys from? I'm on a 15 minutes time frame because the top down analysis, like I always analyze with you guys, is that okay, what we do is we analyze higher time frame, we come down to lower time frame, isn't it? Okay. So what do we do right here? Now let's go back to 1 hour time frame to see the overall picture of the market. I'll go back to 4 hours time frame. Where is the highest point at which market got to? This is the highest point at which market got to. So what do? We map out that zone. That is the highest point market got to. So anything we market want to, market is likely going to come to this zone. So you can see the reason why I'm still looking out for buy. Anything we market want to do, market will still come back to this zone. Sorry, you still come back here to this zone. And that's an amazing pips. It's like a swing trade, you can still hold the buy. But now, what are we looking out for as a trader? We are looking for entry, where to enter that is good, because it's not everybody that has the same. It's not everybody that has the same. Hold on. It's not everybody that has the same account size. Okay. All right. So, what is this person saying? Say, please, sir, the chat is not clear. Check your own phone. Harrison said, I'm still holding this trade. Beautiful, sharp guy, sharp guy. All right. So, yeah, back to us. And I said, for us to continue buying this trade, we have to time an excellent entry, isn't it? That's what we have to do. So, as traders, we look for entry. So, where do we look for that entry? In a lower time frame. Okay. So let's go to our lower time frame and see where we can enter from. So we don't enter blindly. Okay. If someone that has large accounts, if we just enter blindly, enter blindly, and even if market goes down or whatever, his stop loss is very wide. Let's go to lower time frame. 15 minutes. Remember, I've always taught you guys that okay, where I get our stop loss from, where I get our entry from is the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so we have an important zone right here. Where is the point I'm likely going to continue the buy? Now, listen attentively, guys. This is a very interesting one. Listen attentively. The point where I'm looking at, which is the area of value, is this zone, this region right here that I just circled. This zone. Now, how do I confirm that the buy is going to continue? What is that? Some of you already know the answer. Those ones that have been listening to me teach all this one. You will know that for me to confirm that a buy is going to hold, it depends on the candlestick that is going to form in this zone that I circled. That's this support zone that I circled. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. The kind of candlestick that is going to form there. If it forms bullish candle, okay, I take my buy in this zone. But if it forms bearish candle, I'm looking out for a breakout to the downside. How? Like this. A breakout. All right. But if you have a bullish candle form on this place, I'm going to ride the trend upward to that zone. All right. So what we are looking out for is this place. And amazingly, this is where markets opened at. This is where market is currently at. They opened that. So, but what do we do? If you're still awake, you can watch out and but I'll wait for the market by morning so I can see a possible place you can enter. But it doesn't change my bias. My bias, I'm looking out for a buy in Gbpjpy, a buy. So until I get my confirmation before I enter. So if you are in the funded traders group, amazing for you. You are going to get a signal, all right? Because this week I'm timing a very crazy profit. Okay, you too. I want you to make a profitable withdrawals. My boys have actually withdrawn this Sunday. I click the withdraw button, so every other persons that have profit to withdraw, so you need to join the profitable withdrawal gang. So your withdrawal button is supposed to be your favorite button once you've mastered the art of trading. Okay. Sylvester Daniel is a lie, the bomb goat. All right, sweet. I believe you guys actually understood what I'm actually talking about. Hero Howard said, "Well done, boss. Thank you for that, bro." Hero Howard, you look familiar. Are you the one that I saw in Abuja? Charles, Abi? Or am I mixing it up? All right, so that's for GBP Okay, so let's look out for one other pair. GBJPY is already enough GBJPY is already enough to give me money for the week and give us money for the week. But the chart is too bluff for to see. I've corrected this thing. Your phone, change your settings to high quality. Some of you they subscribe 2 gig with 100 naira and you expect it to be clear. How is it going to be clear? You subscribe 2 gig with 100 naira. Sub good sub, you go dey see better to change your settings to high quality so you can see clearly. Come on. I even log in on my phone to even see the live and it's very clear. It's very clear. So what are we talking about, bro? See, let me open it up for you guys. This is my phone. I don't know if you can see it. It's so clear. It's so clear. So come on, it's not even about phone matters. You no go dey sub 2 gig with 100 naira or 200 naira. Say you gonna say, boss, it's not clear. So what do you want me to do? Better try and hustle well so you can make money in forex trading and use better phone. Buy better iPhone and be used to trade. Buy better system. Okay, Aruwa, my guy. Okay, I saw him in Abuja. That's amazing. It was really a wonderful event, meeting a couple of FS Media farms in Abuja. All right, so I was really happy to see you guys. And okay, so by the grace of God, we'll be going to another state. Okay, but it's very capital intensive. But the money we spent in Abuja is very crazy. I think nothing less than 10 million naira to host such an event. Nothing less than 10 million. And it's for 10 million above we spent in hosting an event in Abuja. So you can imagine it's a whole lot of money. But thanks be to God. Okay, so we're looking out for another state, and it might just be your state. But just watch out for my status. We're going to be posting it right there. And if you're in Ghana, get ready. One way or the other, we are going to get to Ghana, and I'm going to see FS Media Farms in Ghana. So by the grace of God, we are going to be touching different countries one step at a time. Okay, but we're starting with states in Nigeria. All right. Okay, some of you are dropping a suggestion, GPP card. But hold on, let us check. Let's check card JPY. Those of you that are saying good, good, good. If you like say you won't die, you won't die before your time. You say talk good when you never make money for forex. No be to do with that. Good, 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 good. I've told you guys this thing. If you have not made money from forex trading, or you are not financially free even without forex trading, don't try gold. Leave gold alone. There are several places you can trade it. Gold is for big boys. It's for rich guys. Okay. And one thing that people don't know is that gold is easily manipulated. Have it at the front of your mind, because if you have it at the back of your mind, you're going to forget. Okay, so gold is easily manipulated. That's why it's not every time that we drop signal on gold. But this week we drop signal. When last we drop signal apart from this one? We drop gold signal. It's been long. Don't drop gold signal anyhow. Okay, and by the grace of God, we caught 100 pips on that gold signal this past week. All right, so I've told you. I not tell you this forex market now, who get sense, now who get patience, now who get discipline, now in the shop money, and the right knowledge, adequate knowledge and loyalty. Because when you are humble and loyal, you end up getting amazing values that a lot of people might not even get. All right, so this is CADJPY. So this CADJPY is familiar with your GBP USD, GBP JPY. That one I analyze for you guys. They look alike. That's one common thing about JPY. They should look alike, sha. Let's look alike. So let's check USD JPY. All right, so it's also look alike. So that's another one. So CHF, this CHF, don't use start shock my money, but we'll just check out. So you also look alike. All right, there's one cheat I wanted to teach you people now. One mad cheat, but I'm not going to give it to you guys. No, I'm going to give it to people who are inside the mentorship. One mad cheat, so I just start now. I will tell you, I want mad cheat, but no worry, I know the share. That knowledge is not free. It's not free. All right, so if you are here to be part of synthetic class, you have an opportunity. I'm giving you guys a maximum opportunity, because it may just be the last synthetic I will take for synthetic before I move to other things. It may just be the last one. I'm so sorry for you, because I also want you to be making money during the weekend. That is, you from Monday to Friday you trade currency pair. Saturday, Sunday you trade synthetic. You can as well trade synthetic during the week. But the way I do it, which I want you guys to copy me, to emulate me, is Monday to Friday I trade currency pairs. Saturday and Sunday I trade synthetic. So, you know, so that money does not stop coming in. Money, money shook everywhere. So why sleep on the opportunity that you have? So I just give you guys an opportunity to make a token. That's peanuts. Come on. I expect everybody to be part of it. It's for your own good. Anyway, when I'm talking about everybody, I'm talking about people who have learned forex. I'm not talking about newbie. You can see on the flyer specifically for people who have learned forex, all right? So if you're already in price action class, you can still enroll. It doesn't matter. If you're a newbie, still indicator class, or you've not even learned forex at all, don't even pay for it. Go and start from the forex major that we actually have. There's a special class for that one naturally. Okay, so I don't expect anybody not to be part of synthetic class for those people which I am talking about. Okay, so we're starting that on the 16th, and one of the benefits in that class is that FS Media is launching this AI. Hallelujah, hallelujah! Isn't that amazing? AI. So the first people that are going to be benefiting from it is the synthetic class. And let me bust your brain. After that time, the price tag I go put for them. If you have not made money for it, if you go hang yourself, or if you don't even feel buy the AI self, That is, if you don't participate in synthetic class, the synthetic class is more or less like the launch. So those people that are there will benefit from it. So, but after that, after the launch, the more I dey tell you, I dey tell una straight, make una dey aware. I've spent my time, energy on building this AI for like 2 years. So you can imagine my time and effort. So you think say I go come put, say come pay am 10K, na dey mad. I'm just joking. No, don't expect I put, the money go come up, no go on yourself. So better find a way to be making more money for yourself. And again, find yourself to be inside the synthetic class so that every whichever you are giving opportunity, you have a brain left. Your brain understands your left from the right. You knows the right from the right things and the wrong things. Okay, so it's there for you to accommodate it in the right. So you have an opportunity right now. FS Media AI launching. Okay, so that's super amazing. This year we no gree for anybody at all. At all, I no gree for anybody. All right. So AI is a fantastic thing that, in as much you're trading, there are days you may not trade, but the forex market and the AI is there to help you make some dough. Woo! All right. So multiple sources of income. I told you guys this in last year, Abi, that FS Media is not just being under FS Media umbrella, giving you an opportunity to earn, to have up to like 4 streams of income in trading. Yeah. The first one is you trading for yourself. One. The second one is benefiting from our signals. The third one is trading a pop account. The fourth one is FS Media AI. Then the fifth one, probably you want to be a partner to 10 trade. Fine, you can be a partner to 10 trade. Probably you have clients, you have rich people that want to come on board. Sure, no problem. You can talk to me. I can let you know how you can actually monetize that. If you have rich people that are looking forward to make money in forex trading, probably they have 10K or 1K or 2K or 3K, 5K or 50K or 100K. I'm not talking about naira. Remember, I don't always talk naira, it's dollars. 100K dollars. My point is, if you know quality people who you know that want to make money through forex trading, all right, so we can actually tell you how to go about it, all right, so that you can be a partner of them. But it does come and say, I'm better than trading, you don't even have any connection. You allow shift from one place, you focus on your trading. All right, guys. So several opportunities to make money from trading, in which FS Media have been diversifying and breaking down for a couple of you guys. All right. So I'll be having, see, Francis Chika, I don't trade USD. Okay, you're suggesting that I don't trade USD, bro. Okay, so let's look into GBP card. I saw that suggestion. So come up with your suggestions, guys. Let's look into this first. I've already given you the BAM. I'm trading one pair this week. But if there's any other signal or another currency pair, fine. I'm going to drop the signal as well. All right. So let's print a lot of money this week. Let's make some withdrawal. This month, I want somebody to withdraw 2 million. Is it a crime? It's not a crime. A lady actually made $20,000 trading synthetic indices. Her name is Peace. Yeah, $20,000 last year and the last 2 years. Yeah. The other guy trading currency pairs, he made $30,000. Yeah, from FS Media. Oh no. If I see, there are people that I can call like this, that I train to that I call like this. Alpha, run me 1 million. Make I use and do something. My transfer will be work. When I do that, I will send it back to you in the evening. Yeah, people like that in FS Media that have trained from broke to something, or from rich to rich, or from rich to richer, or from richer to riches, different category of people. I just call them quickly, easily. Money come out ASAP, all right? And by the evening, I send it back to them. Period. So that's what we're talking about. A circle of amazing people, that are doing financially. If you give up, that's your own problem. If you give up financially, that's your own problem. Now give a fuck up, okay? So now, okay, this is GBP card. Okay, first thing we do as what top down analyst. What do? We identify the trend of the market. All right. So guys, what trend of the market do we have here? We are currently on a 4 hours time frame. Use the chart section quickly. What trend of the market is this? Okay, I've taken it to day one and I'm squeezing it. What trend of the market is this? Come on, guys. Use the chart section. Let's go. Hamdi is asking, how can I join a class? Which class are you talking about? Is it first major? First major, fine. You send me a message on send me a message on Instagram or send me a message to my WhatsApp. Okay. Hamdi, I've answered you. How can you join a business class? Send me a message on WhatsApp or send me a message on Instagram. Rex, perfect. One green bottle for you. You just got it. It is not a downtrend. It's a ranging market, guys. Not a downtrend. It's a ranging market. All right. So let's look at the year that GBP card has been ranging. Since when did the range start? Wele, 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 wele. 2016. Oh my Jesus. 2016, guys. Ah, Forest is sweet. Well, it's alive. Let's map it out. Since 2016, that's when GBP. Some of you said not even know it to be Forest that time. Even some of you see they play with sand. That time they cook cook soup when no they use fire. They play with sand. They do mommy and daddy. Hey, it is well. Forest does not have to do with age, but it has to do with experience and consistency. All right. So this is the general demand, the supply and the demand zone for GPP CAD. So it has been on a ranging market for how many years now? 2016 to now, only 2024. That's 8 years. 8 years. 8 years, guys. Khalid, I see the dream of becoming pilot. I think say na only me dey dream of becoming pilot o. E get one time for my life I dey grow up, na pilot I wan be omo. But you know, you talk say you wan become pilot, you go look your parent pocket o. From pilot e change. Before you know it, I find myself I start to dey do wristband. No be juju be that. Start to dey do wristband. From wristband I enter piano, I come dey play piano. And now here we are. Alright, it's well. Okay, we thank God for life. Let's go. So we're able to ascertain the direction of the market, the trend of the market. So we go down to lower time frame. And what do we do in the 4 hours time frame, the lower time frame? We map out our zones, okay? All right, so the 4 hours time frame has its own resistance, which I have just drawn right here. I don't really like GBP card. It's not, it used to bend somehow, but anyhow, I analyze it based on your suggestions. So plot the necessary things that needs to be plotted. All right. So then we have this trend line. If you're confused on what that boy handy that is saying, I've answered you now. You know the English. You say, how can I join a beginner's class? I've told you, send me a message on my WhatsApp or send me a message on Instagram, okay? So you just type, how can I join? How can I join? Okay, until YouTube block you. Just kidding. Okay, just do the needful. So stop being like you're not paying attention. All right, so here we have another trend line right here. Okay, so we zoom out and see what else we can plot. The reason why we plotted this trend line right here is because of the series of lower load market has done up to this point. Okay, so now what else can we plot on this 4 hours time frame? There is a zone we can draw here, this trend line. Then there is a breakout right here, as you can see with your eyes. Okay, testimony say I wan be surgeon. Testimony, my guy, this guy na very good guy. Himself don reason synthetic class, he don pay. That's nice. How to be like you, sir? Rex perfect. How do I join Foreign Traders Group? Very easy to join Foreign Traders Group. Register with FS Media link. You know, buy an account of funds traditionally. Send me a message. I verify your account in our back office, and I add you to Foreign Traders Group. It's free, only for you to just purchase an account. You register with FS Media link. That's all. I've answered you, Martins. All right, so let's back to our analysis. So market has opened. This is where market is. Now, same thing I said to that time, that the kind of candlestick that form in this zone will determine whether market will break down or market will go up. So with the way this on the 4 hours time frame, you have a downward movement, a downtrend like this. So most likely we're looking for opportunities to sell only when we have a confirmation candlestick. And now where do we get that? Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we have right there. Okay. Now, don't I've said this thing over time. Don't allow anybody to fool you that if you not sabi SMC, you are not a trader. That person will get sense. Okay. Don't let me tell you, your biggest trader in the world uses price action. Yeah, uses price action. Price action is one of the amazing strategy that I have. So the cocoa is do what works for you. Don't be so disturbed like this person they make me feel bad. Now they make money, now be the cocoa. If you see person we go analyze, but now them wey dey post for now. You see say na real account. Dey trade for it, but your lifestyle dey no match up with the forex you're trading. Person dey post say I made $1,000 in a week, $2,000 in a week, but guess what? You are squatting with somebody inside one room apartment. Does that make sense? Or you are using phone that rubber band don finish. Doesn't make sense. Okay? So do what works for you, learn the right way, don't be intimidated, all right? But most likely ensure you have a mentor like FS Media that always tell you the right things to do. All right. So now we are looking, see if this market breaks out from this place. Let me get my pen. Market breaks out, come down to this place. It's going to be an amazing sell. And I'm telling you the reality of life. Yeah, it's going to be an amazing sell because we are going to have a level. We are going to have markets come down to this. Hold on. Market come down to this line that we mapped out here. Okay, so let's get our short positions. Okay, 69 pips. I need to get. We failed to do something, not actually failed. We'll go and check it out. And what is that? We need to check our fundamentals. Okay, but after I'm done right here, check our fundamentals. Okay, so what am I looking out for? Okay, let's go to 30 minutes. Let me see what's up. Okay. All right, so where I'm going to be looking at for entry, the market comes to this box right here, comes to this box. So that's I'm going to take my entry for a sell. But if it doesn't, I'll look at another way. I don't see a buy, but I only see a sell. But if it doesn't work out, remember we are not market makers, okay? We can only speculate and move in direction to where the market is moving, it's going to, so we can actually take advantage of it and make money for ourselves. Okay, I believe I'm communicating value to you guys. All right, so let's go check our fundamental, guys. Let's go. Martin asks, how was the best currency to trade? There's no best currency to trade. Okay, I'm taking time, but it is oh shit. Thank you, it's perfect. No retest, no what entry. Now so we dey do. Okay, we are on our FS book, so let's go and check out the news. Economical calendar. Let's go. You're trading GBP, JPY. All right, so let's go at JPY first. Let's see. Alpha. Kilo Shele. Why this guy no one? If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and like, share. That's the least you can do for First Media. You're not paying for this YouTube live, and this YouTube live you are seeing has made a lot of successful traders in trading. Okay, Let's go. So today's news. Okay, this on Monday. We are looking at on Monday, May 13th. So what do we have right here? So we are looking at for where we have high impact news. All right. So the high that we have right here is for AUD. So if you have a setup on AUD, you need to watch out for high impact news. Okay. So let's go down. Okay. So on GBP, we have a medium news. Okay. So it's most likely not going to affect the market. So our technical should work effectively. So all right. So all through Monday, irrespective of any pair you are trading, technical should work perfectly well. All right. So let's look into Tuesday. Where do we have high? All right. So we trading Gbpjpy. We have high impact news. When 7 a.m. in the morning. That's Tuesday morning. Okay. On GBP. GBP. Okay. All right. So what else do we have? USD. You're trading USD. Watch out to on that same day. Wednesday. What do we have? We have high on Euro. So we're not trading Euro. Oh, amazing. On Wednesday, in 2 days' time, you can see all the multiple highs. So you gotta trade with caution on Wednesday, guys. Trade with caution on Wednesday because you have amazing news dropping and it's going to affect the market well. Okay. If you have setups, ensure you have taken out profit before the news drop, or you break even, or you wait till the market till the news is released before you go to the before you continue trading. Okay. So then Thursday, what do we have? AUD also high. Which other day? Friday. So on Friday, what else? What else? Okay. All right. So this week is cool. So where we have most high impact news is on Wednesday. That's for USD. So our GBP JPY, glory be to God, is most likely going to go in our direction. Okay. So but we are going to be monitoring the market and see where we can actually take our what trades. Okay. Okay, so I have a question. Since I have a question. If you have a question, drop your questions quickly. Drop your questions. Let me take questions and wrap up this live. We spend time right here. Come on, let's go. How to read fundamental news. I don't know whether I'm a student or not. That's Olaleye Moses. I don't know if you're a student. CPI, thank you. Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's CPI. CPI is on Wednesday. Yeah, Chris Word FX. I remember you're my student. Sister, please share your screen. I'm sharing my screen since now. Then I said I lost so much today. What were you trading today? I did not say FMC. I said SMC. Ah, okay. I don't know Forex Factory. Okay, Forex Factory is where we check out news now. Daily, I've taught you guys this in the basic class, the first day class. Why are you guys not paying attention to first basic class? I taught you guys this now. Come on. I taught you guys fundamentals and technicals as well, right? Showed you daily FX is there. My Forex Factory is there as well. Where you can check your news. Boss, what about synthetic? What happened to synthetic? If you have not enrolled for your class, enroll. Class is starting on Thursday for synthetic. Your screen stopped sharing, boss. Boss, please can the newbie fund the account? I don't know the kind of newbie that you are. I'm not sure. Kind of what's the meaning of SMC? Smart money concepts. That's what SMC is. And your students are currently trading at $6 per account. Okay, so what was your question again, Moses? You mean no payments for funded traders group only to register through the link? Not only to register through the link. Register through the link, either you buy a 10 trade funded account or you fund your account naturally and trade. Okay. So, sir, we will get the AI trading bots once we register for a synthetic class. AI trading bot. Till then, you should have more advantages as regards the AI anyway. You have more idea how it's going to move. I didn't get what you said about the first 4 hours candles of the week. I'm not sure I remember that. Sir, your WhatsApp. Have you sent a message, Blessinuche? Okay, so you said to read fundamental news. Okay, read fundamental news. I've taught you guys this over and over again. I said that when you are trading fundamental, when you how to take your fundamentals, the strategy I use is that I look out for high impact news. So I'm going back to it in case you don't know how to trade fundamental. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so I think we have to wrap up this class now. I just got a notification right now. Oh, let's go on notification. So let me just show you something. All right, so we look out for high impact news. This is an impact high. The one that is high is where our attention is. When you have market to be in low, medium, it's none of your business. It does not affect the market. What affects the market is the high impact news. Okay, don't forget that. So seriously, actually need to attend to something right now. I just got a notification. All right. So guys, any other thing? I've told you guys what to do in class, right? I've told you guys what to do as regards trading. Please, please, and please follow every instruction I'm giving to you. Key into opportunities that you have so you can make money. Last, now money will define, isn't it? So ensure you make money for yourself. Don't give up. Do the right thing for yourself. Okay, it's good that you have a mentor. Follow diligently. Do the right things. Now I'm giving an instruction that you should enroll for synthetic class so that you can as well be trading weekends while you trade your currency pairs. Okay, and your synthetic class you get free signals when there's a signal. So come on, what are you talking about? So you have from now to Thursday to be part, and I'm giving you guys a fantastic fee to do that. Okay, then if you have not gotten an account, go ahead to get an account with 10 trade broker. Ensure that you're using FS Media links so that you can actually be part of our funded traders community. How much can you deposit on real account? You deposit realistic money now. Okay. When are you coming to Port Harcourt? Soon. When you say hi, what do you mean? I don't know Emmanuel. Don't know Emmanuel. High means the news is going to affect the market. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. That's the high you're talking about. Yeah. High means it's going to affect the market. Okay, because it could change the market to buy or to change the market to sell. All right. So if you're asking a promo code is FX Media 28. FX Media 28. I believe you had an exciting time today and lots of knowledge values have been communicated. So in summary, we are looking out for Euro NZD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, Gbpjpy CAD. 4 pairs this week. So take it home, digest, look into those charts very well, and try as much as possible to be in funded traders book. I'm dropping crazy signals on those things. All right. So these are the benefits, these are the pairs of looking into, and you guys actually saw what actually made me my $2,500 on Gbpjpy this week. Okay. So guys, I think this is what I'm going to earn the life. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, like, and share. Promote FS Media with your whole heart. All right. So it doesn't cost too much. Refer a friend to follow FS Media page, something like that. You get and get rewarded one way or the other. All right. So our giveaway is going to be held this week. It's going to be held this week. Okay. So yeah, keep following, keep tabs on our status view, keep viewing our status so that you will not miss out. Follow our social media pages, engage as well for your own good. All right. So guys, I told you the FS Media AI synthetic indices people are going to benefit out of it. After that class, a price tag is going to be put on the AI and it's not cheap. Listen attentively. The AI is not cheap. I've spent 2 years building the AI. Okay, I spent 2 years, so it's not cheap. So if I you follow backyard and enter inside here through synthetic class. Okay, but if you don't follow backyard, you go follow front yard anyway. One way or the other, I'm still going to put a price tag on it after the synthetic class, and it's not cheap. I have told you, it's not cheap. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being part of the YouTube live. We look forward to having more YouTube live with you guys and um, other benefit that you have. The synthetic class is Thursday or on night anointed. You guys are amazing. You used to listen to me as if you don't used to listen. That's amazing. We are asking amazing questions that I've attended to since. Okay. Sylvester Dan say I've learned a lot from FS Media. Thank you, Daniels. Busaya said thanks, boss. I mean, you good. Okay. Waiting to my screen, can I go? Hook up. God send thanks, sir. Okay, we are expecting the boat. No, not be only boat. Now Uber. Now Uber. You expect Uber. Okay. Say boat. BOLT boat. Okay. Can you please mention them again? Please, Chris Boy. I said Euro NZD, GBP USD, GBP CAD, GBP JPY. So those four is what you are looking at this week. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for the synthetic class. Daniel Samuel Paul. All right. So synthetic is not for kids. It's like a professional course in trading. Okay. So it's not advisable for one to start forex with synthetic indices. So trust me, I'm going to blow accounts very well. And you may not have sense anyway. You may not have sense after blowing series of accounts. You just call forex a scam. So that synthetic indices is for people who have already done forex major. Okay. So that is it. If you don't know forex, learn forex, right? So FS Media has all the package. We have the SMC, we have the ICT, we have the price action, we have the synthetic indices, we have the stock markets, we have the crypto markets, we have the funded accounts, we have the AI that is into place, we have the library, a couple of things, amazing stuff. Okay. All right. So those of you that filled in for form for your certificates, you're going to be getting your certificates in your emails, already sending them out. All right. So you have more of them this week. Thank you guys so much. I really love you all, and I can't wait to see you guys succeed more. Even though we have diverse categories of persons in this class, people who are successful already, like Peter Oyema, Daniel, John, Favor, Peace, what's that name again? George, Michael, a couple of them, countless of them across 7 countries, and that's remarkable. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely and a fantastic week. Bye. I love you all.